Ka Central Institute of Educational Training CIET katanat jang ka National Council of Education Research and Training NCERT kala Pynlong ya ka Jingiakop Pyni ya laki sap hapadeng ki news pak ngut ki khna skul na keleng ki jela jang kari India ya kani ka Jingiakop la Pynlong lais ngi arpun reu hadu arpu pra tarik leber ha North East Regional Institute of Education campus kabadon ha Yam Kwan Ribhoi district Dr. Amandara B. Behera, Joint Director CIET NCERT New Delhi, ulalong ukongsan hakasngi bakut jong kani ka Jingiakop. Lasa miki busket bat ki sernar ceki Khynnah Skul ki bajop hakani ka Jingiakop, kumju uru yakinong hikai ki bala shimbenta haka Jingiakop para maki.
Now, I warmly invite Dr.
Applause should not stop. Let's make this moment even more memorable. The second goes to Haiku for informative format by Ncert. Category for best direction, the award goes to Jagbandhu Jana for rifle. Next, the award for best script goes to Ajit Horo for Maria Montessori. Award for Best Editing. Best Child Voice goes. For Foundational. Can we quickly?
Popularly known as at Badapani in Shillong, Meghalaya. And this All India e-content competition is one of the event organized as a part of the NEP 2020 implementation, where the NEP 2020 has emphasized on development of quality digital contents for effective teaching, learning and assessment. So therefore, this particular program, even as a part of implementation of NEP 2020, there is one budget announcement done by Ministry of Education, particularly the Ministry of Finance, Government of India, as part of the budget announcement in the year 22-23. It has been emphasized that competitions among children, teachers, teacher educators and all media technology community needs to be done so that quality digital contents are produced for children, school children, to help them learn effectively and to help the teachers teach effectively. So by use and integration of content, pedagogy and technology. And this year we announced this e-content competition in the month of October, and we took entries up to January 2025, 31st January, and we have 700 plus entries received for this, and there are around 150 participating members from all over India, those who contributed for this festival by sending their entries have been invited, and there are nearly 70 different awards category starting from 5,000 to 40,000 as incentive for developing quality digital contents have been fixed, and those awards will be given today at the NEHU Shillong. And to further motivate these students, teachers, teacher educators and all other media and content development stakeholders to develop quality digital content for teaching, learning and assessment in schools. And these contents, which are award-winning contents, these will be telecast under 200 Prime Minister's eVidya channel launched by Ministry of Education, Government of India in collaboration with Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and the Ministry of Electronics and IT, Government of India. And these 200 channels are distributed among all the states and UTs. Even Meghalaya state has got also 5 television channels under Prime Minister's eVidya program, under which video contents are telecast on that. So we will be sharing these contents on PM eVidya, DTS TV channels, on Diksha also, and All India Radio will also be broadcasting this content, award-winning content, for different stakeholders through 132 All India radio stations across the country, and there are nearly 260 community radio stations across the country. They are also broadcasting NCERT content. These contents will also be shared with them for broadcast on 400 radio channels, including All India Radio and community radio stations. So this is indirectly incentive given to all the stakeholders, so that they are motivated to become a prosumer for content development and use. They should not be only consumer of digital content, quality digital content. They should be both creator and consumer. And also we want that they should be motivated to develop more and more content for children, so that crowdsourced content which are of very good quality, excellent quality, we get it for telecast on Prime Minister's e-Vidya channels. These 200 Prime Minister's e-Vidya channels are branded by Doordarshan. These 200 PM Vidya channels are branded by Doordarshan only, because it is telecast under Doordarshan umbrella, under Ministry of Electronics and IT. So basically